as a business owner, we wear many hats. And a lot of times we do a lot of things that we don't like to do and a lot of things that we aren't that great at, but we feel like we have to because we can't afford to pay somebody else. Truth is, sometimes you can't afford not to pay somebody else to do it. Look at your activities and decide what are your top money-making activities. Number one should be lead generation. Because a company never fails if it's got enough sales. So if you're not really good at lead generation, hire somebody else to do that, and you work on the activities that will help generate income in your business. Concentrate your energy on the top 2 or 3 things that you do that will generate the most income, and you're on the path to success. If you like these tips and hints, click the link below and join our Empowered Women's Network. See you there.